Word up, Papa Smurf. Sorry for the late video today. It's been busy. Tomorrow's International Day of Peace. If you haven't watched our little video and collaboration with the UN Peacekeepers, please watch that. It's important. Share it, spread the word, and just generally be peaceful, especially tomorrow. What a day. International Day of Peace. So, let's read a poem, even though I'm late. You'd still deserve it. Typewriter Series 463. Here's your waste paper. Old book, crumpled, shriveled, whatever. Here we go. Take it all away. Tear it and scatter yourself into the breeze around me, and haunt me with the pieces I cannot catch. Hear me as you shred yourself like confetti that never found its celebration. Hear me. I would love the scraps of you. That's high praise. I would love the scraps of you. I like that line. Love you a lot. Have a groovy day. I'll see you tomorrow, and it will be International Day of Peace. I'll see you later.